Today's video we're going to be talking about bacterial cells. So you may have heard of bacteria before. They are these very small microorganisms which can cause infections. They are prokaryotic cells, so they're a little bit different to how animal cells are. So we're going to discuss the key differences in today's video. So one thing to note is the size. So bacterial cells are very small. They're about 0.1 to 10 micrometers in length. This image here is like a typical bacterial cell. So there are some key features here. So all bacteria have a cell wall which is made up of a substance called murin. This is like a mixture of polysaccharides and peptide proteins, but this is the outer layer, and some bacteria also have a further layer of protection, and they make this slime capsule which surrounds the bacterial cell. That's just to add an additional layer of protection. They also contain a cell membrane, a cytoplasm, so similar to how a eukaryotic cell is, and they contain ribosomes which are a little bit different. They are the 70S ribosomes, not the 80S ribosomes you see in eukaryotic cells. So these are smaller ribosomes. The main function, of course, is protein synthesis. Throughout the bacterial cell, you can see these small granules of glycogen and oil droplets, which the bacteria uses to kind of like a food reserve. So this blue structure here in the middle is called a nucleoid. It's the genetic material in the bacteria. So that's that here, and separate from that are these small circular strands of DNA which are called plasmids. These are actually quite interesting. They're quite important for the survival of the bacteria because they help to give the bacteria resistance to certain harmful chemicals like antibiotics. So they're key for the survival of bacteria. And lastly, we have this structure located on the bottom here, which is called a flagellum, which allows the bacteria to move. And that's everything we're going to discuss in today's video. If you have any questions, then leave a comment in the comment section below.